All right, 6 and 7 solved by substitution. This is where you're going to try to get one variable by itself. But we can already see on number 6, we already have y by itself. Then we're going to substitute that variable into the other equation, like this. Watch. We got 2x plus 4. But instead of writing y, I'm going to put the parentheses and multiply by x plus 3. Because I know that y equals x plus 3. All right, and then equals 24. And then now my next step is to distribute. So we leave the 2x over here plus 4 times x is 4x. And then 4 times 3, don't forget that second part, is 12, positive 12. So plus 12 equals 24. Now I want to combine like terms. So 2x plus 4x is 6x plus 12 equals 24. Then we need to get x by itself to solve for x. So subtract 12 from both sides. And then 6x equals 12. Divide both sides by 6, and we get x by itself, x equals 2. All right, now we need to find y because we found x. But look, my first equation, y equals x plus 3, I already know what x is. X is 2, so I can substitute that value into this equation and find y. So y equals 2 plus 3, so y equals 5. And my final answer, remember, it's a point, so we need to write it in point form. X, which is 2, and then y, which is 5. Boom. There's my answer. Let's do number 7. So we got to get a variable by itself. It doesn't matter which variable. We can already see that x is by itself. So let's just substitute that into the other equation now. So x equals y plus 3. So my second equation, I'm going to write 3 times x, which is y plus 3, plus 2y equals 14. Now you can see there's no more x's, which is what we want, because now we can solve for y. We distribute the 3 to both of these terms. 3 times y is 3y. 3 plus 3 is 9. Plus 2y equals 14. Combine like terms. 3y plus 2y is 5y. And then we got plus 9 equals 14. Now we're going to solve for y. So let's subtract 9 from both sides, and we get 5y equals 5. Then we're going to divide both sides by 5. And y equals 1. All right, now I found y. I need to find x. So I'm going to substitute this y equals 1 back into my first equation because that one's easier. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but the easier one's probably better. So x equals y plus 3. So x equals y is 1, so I can just put 1 plus 3. So x equals 4. So my final answer is going to be parentheses 4 comma 1 parentheses. That's the point. Because remember, x is first and then y, and that's substitution.